People think YouTube is just for fun. Pero sa akin, YouTube literally helped me build a brand. One of my businesses grew from zero to over 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. And that journey taught me lessons that turned content into income and eventually into a company. And the best part, I started with just what I have and what I know. So today, I'll share with you exactly how I grew one of my brands from zero to 100,000 on YouTube and eventually turn it into a company and the lessons you can apply to grow yours too. But before that, hi, I'm Sally, nurse turned entrepreneur, content creator, author, mortgage specialist, and abundance mindset coach. When I first started sa YouTube, wala akong studio. Nag-shoot lang ako sa kwarto, kusina, living room, labas, at minsan sa closet pa. Just me, my phone, and the courage to share. My very first YouTube channels failed, but actually, I use it to practice my skill on how to talk to the camera, how to film video, how to edit, how to write script, make thumbnails, how to optimize a YouTube channel, and more. The more I do it, the better I get. After creating many videos, I finally found something that clicked. I created a channel about my husband's passion, birds, and guess what happened? That channel went from 0 subscribers to 100,000 subscribers, and not only that, it turned into a company. That experience proved to me that content isn't just for likes or views. It can actually build a business. And I created a playbook on how you can turn content into income. If you want to grab a copy, comment playbook and I'll send it to you. Okay, so let's go back to what I'm saying. When I started on that channel, my videos were super simple. I was just showing the birds and I was talking. I didn't even show my face for the first few months because I was shy. But here's the thing, I started. I showed up every single day. I posted even if I'm not sure if people are going to watch. I focus on giving value instead of waiting for the right time. And that's something I want you to remember. You don't need to have everything figured out. You just need to begin. And then slowly, I realized it's not about going viral. It's about building trust. Every video you post is like planting a seed. Hindi lahat agad tutubo. Pero if you stay consistent, eventually, makikita mo yung growth. Some of my early videos had only 20 or 30 views, but I kept going. Those 20 turned into hundreds, then thousands, then eventually 100,000 subscribers. The secret? Consistency. Kahit walang result sa simula, tuloy lang. Because consistency builds trust, and trust builds community. Here's what's exciting. Once you have an audience that trusts you, opportunities start coming in. For this particular brand, YouTube brought followers who became loyal supporters, viewers who started buying, and an audience that became the foundation of a business. That's the power of content. You never know sino manonood. Pero if you're consistent, the right people will find you. That's exactly what I'm doing with this channel. So if you want to watch me build and turn this channel into a business, make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any tips that I'm sharing. So I'm going to share with you the 5 biggest lessons I learned from going from 0 to 100,000 on YouTube. So lesson number 1 is start with what you have. Start with what you have and what you know. Your phone is enough. Don't wait for perfect gear, perfect moment, perfect situation, perfect location, because there is no such thing as perfect. It will never come. So, just start. Lesson number 2, share your story. People connect to authenticity, not perfection. Don't try to be someone else. People want you, not them. Learn to embrace your uniqueness, your personality. It will be uncomfortable in the beginning, but as you do it many times, it will get easier and easier and easier. That's the secret. Okay, let's go to lesson number 3. Focus on value. Every video should inspire, educate, and entertain. That's what keeps people coming back. If they get something from you, maybe a tip or you help them with their problems, they will trust you. That's what I did. I shared some tips and guide on how to take care of birds. That's simple. And people wanted more. Now let's go to lesson number 4 is to build relationship. Okay, build relationships, not just views. Reply to comments, engage with your community, make people seen and feel valued. When your viewers felt that they are important to you, they will become a loyal followers. Trust me on this. Sometimes they will even fight for you from your bashers. Now let's go to lesson number 5. Play the long game. Don't chase overnight success. Think long term. Focus on building something sustainable, not just for today or for next month or for next year. Your mindset should be, what can this do to my life in the next 5 years? It's like planting a tree. You plant the seeds, water it, take care of it, and it will grow and bear fruit that you can harvest later. Next bonus tip is be consistent. If you stay consistent, your viewers will love you, the algorithm will love you, and YouTube will push your content to more people. More people, more views equals more subscribers and more opportunities. So yes, one of my brands grew from 0 to 100,000 on YouTube, but more than the numbers, it was the process. That journey taught me how to turn content into opportunity, and those opportunities grew into business. That's the real lesson. Content isn't just entertainment. Content is the bridge from you to your audience, to trust, to business. If you're sitting there thinking, sana ako din, this is your sign. Start today. Don't wait for perfect. Use your phone, share your story, and stay consistent. Because if I can grow one of my brands from 0 to 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, you can start your journey too. Again, if you want my free guide on how to turn content into income, comment playbook and I'll send it to you. Now that you know how I grew from 0 to 100,000, watch this next video where I share how I turned content into companies. I'll see you there.